to this very special day. It's special because for the first time in forever, Elsa and I are celebrating the Arendelle Festival.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. I'm Aria. Welcome. Hi. Thank you.
I'm Sir Eric.
Sir Eric, everybody. Sir Eric?
Yeah.
When we're united.
Yeah.
Just Eric!
Well, thank you, just Eric. And
I think they know the words, right? Yeah!
Okay, great. So where should we begin?
I got this.
Yeah.
Let it go, let it go. Don't hold it back anymore. Everybody, let it go.
No. You gotta build.
Gotta build up to that one. Where do we start?
Where every good story starts, of course, at the beginning.
It was a dark and stormy night.
No, it wasn't.
It was the best.
No. It was a beautiful day in the kingdom of Arendelle.
Arendelle. There were two sisters, and they loved each other very much.
Princess Anna and Princess Elsa.
Princess Elsa was different. She was born with special powers.
Magical powers that created snow and ice, and oh, how Anna loved playing with Elsa's magical snow.
Well, one night, when something awful happened, and Elsa built a monster snowman. Show him that!
Oh, wait, what? No. He shoved it way too far ahead. Don't you remember? Elsa.
Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Oh, wait on it. Okay, bye.
finally they're opening up the gates. There'll be actual real-life people. It'll be totally strange. But wow, am I so ready for this change? 'Cause for the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be light. For the first time in forever, I'll be dancing through the night.
You know it, Anna was not alone for very long.
Oh,
She
what?
soon meets a very tall, dark-haired, dreamy man.
Oh.
Prince Hans of the Southern Isles. Ah!
Princess!
What? Really? Oh man, every time I see this guy, yeah, baby, I like it like that. I like it like that. You're the te quiero, mi amor. Oh, Poppy, you're a bad buddy. Did I say that out loud?
I don't think they noticed.
Oh, good.
I don't like him. He looks like he sells counterfeit Labubu's.
We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Life can be so much more with you. Love is an open door. Can I say something crazy? Will you marry me?
Can I say something even crazier? Yes!
You see, I told you, true love. Right there.
I don't like it.
What?
Queen Elsa said, and I quote, "You can't marry a man you just met."
Princess Anna said, and I quote, you can if it's true love.
All right. Well, none of that matters. Everything's gonna change. It has nothing to do with you.
Oh, okay. Fine, Anna. Anna pushed Elsa way too far, causing Elsa to throw ice all over the ballroom.
They called her a witch, a sorcerer. She impaled the guy. Whah!
What? That did not happen.
On the bonus features. You like that? That guy right there. You having a good time? You having fun today? Yeah, what's your name? Kyle. Kyle! Hey, Kyle.
Listen, that did not happen, though. Everybody was very scared.
Not as scared as Queen Elsa. She ran away across the fjord of Arendelle, freezing the entire fjord in the process.
She froze all of Arendelle, sending our kingdom into a cold, dark curse.
It was beyond cold. It was frozen! Here's your one you bring.
Let it go, turn away and slam the door. I don't care what cold never bothered me anyway. No rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I am one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I stay. Let the storm rage on. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.
Christoph, everyone!
Necessary. Hey, listen, Anna was wondering if you've seen Elsa yet. It's almost time for the Arendelle Festival.
Not that I recall.
Nope, sorry, I haven't seen her. Oh,
Yeah, I can check though.
really?
Kyle! I like that you were ready. Yeah! Have you seen Queen Elsa? Not in the near recently? Thank you very much. That was very clear. Thank you. Kyle, everybody! So, Kyle has not seen Queen Elsa, at least not in the near recently. And I don't know anybody else's name.
Okay, well, great. Do me a favor, Kyle, just keep an eye out for Elsa.
Radio, Mr. Reindeer King!
It's just Christoph.
Just Eric, what a coincidence.
You guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
I'm gonna tell him.
Don't you dare.
In summer.
Anna!
Hi.
Hola, Christoph.
Hello again.
Anna, have you found your sister yet?
Well, we're still kind of looking for her.
Christoph, what's happening?
It's getting colder in here. That can only mean one thing.
Oh, I hope so. And we can really celebrate the Arendelle Festival.
You're Disney!
Elsa! I'm so glad you're here. The royal historians of Arendelle have been telling our story. Thank you. That was a very good story you told. Though the ending felt strange. Well, Olaf did help a lot.
Anna, you saved our whole kingdom. It was you who saved your sister and yourself.
An act of true love will thaw a frozen heart. You're my sister, Elsa. I love you.
Aww.
Excuse me, your majesty. The citizens of the Kingdom of Hollywoodland did a great job singing all of our anthems.
It's like they had the words to sing along.
That's wonderful. You all make Arendelle very proud. Come over to the palace whenever you want. The gates are always open. They will never close again.
I love those historians. Kyle, thank you!
Thank you, Eric, and you, Aria, the royal historians of Arendelle.
Thank you! This has to be a service. Thank you, Queen.
Elsa, today's the Arendelle